We should have the results this year of the Keynote 189, a trial that might establish chemo-IO, meaning platinum-based chemotherapy plus PD-1 blockade, as a new standard of care in any NSCLC patients. So what we will need to address is, first, in PD-L1 positive patients, do we need to use the triplet, or does a single agent enough to treat a patient? So we will have the results of the Keynote 042 studies that seems to be positive when you treat with a single agent pembrolizumab PD-L1 positive patient with a threshold at 1%. So the second question we will have is, what is the place of IO-IO combination compared to chemo-IO combination? So for this, we will have the first results of the CheckMate 227 that compare ipilimumab and nivolumab to chemotherapy. We know that when the tumor mutational burden is elevated, it might be better to use an IO-IO combo, but we will need to fine-tune these results. Does chemo-IO make sense in this subgroup? Does IO alone make sense and not a combination of IO-IO? And we will have also the results of the MYSTIC and the NEPTUNE trial with Tremelimumab and Durvalumab, so the same kind of combination compared to chemotherapy. So I guess next year, with the results of this trial, we will be able to see if in first line we need to use chemo-IO, IO-IO, IO alone, chemo alone, and in which population, based on PD-L1 expression and maybe the tumor mutational burden.